Hello engineers, welcome to my world. Welcome to my channel Vitesse Communication. So in today's video, we'll be talking about why you should add accessory business to your mobile repair work. Yes, as we have earlier said, mobile repairing business is a very technical business and a profitable and lucrative business. But as a startup engineer, as an engineer, you need to add accessory business to it. Yes. What are some of these accessory business? Or what are some of these accessories you can add? One, we have the likes of pouch. We have screen guard. We have cord, as you are seeing on the screen there. We have earpiece or earphone. We have pouch. We have chargers. We still have other screen guard. Have the like of card reader. You are seeing on the screen there. So these are some of the mobile phone accessories. One thing you need to know, as a mobile technician, it's not every day you will have work in your shop. Not every day customer will come. Someday you will just sleep from morning till night, no work. But on the part of accessory, no day that you will not sell either 1, 2, or 3 accessories. People usually put screen guard every day. People usually change their pouch every day. People usually buy cord, buy charger, buy batteries. So it is very important to add this accessory business. So if work no enter, no how accessory no go enter. In fact, selling of mobile phone accessory is a side hustle. It's a profitable mobile repairing side hustle. Sometimes in a week, it's only accessory that you will set till that week will end. And you will make a lot of money from it. So when you are doing your mobile repairing business, try to add accessory. Try to buy the wholesale so that you will make profit from it. Sometimes I will do from morning to evening, there will be no work. But no day that I will not sell either 1, 2, or 3 mobile accessories. Sometimes screen guard usually enter. The likes of Privacy, the likes of Gorilla, the likes of Ceramic and other type of screen guard. So try to add mobile accessory to your mobile repairing business. You get why.